Hello everyone and welcome back to Slacky Moo. A while ago I went to Anime North and I thought I would make extra videos about it to share it with you all. On Friday I got there around 2 something. I checked into the hotel and went and registered at Anime North. I had a little bit of extra time, so I went back to the hotel and unpacked. I went back to the con and went to a panel. It was not quite what I expected, so I left a little early and got a signature from Stephen Prince, the voice actor of Uryu from Bleach. I am always so surprised in how expensive signatures are. I then went to another panel about shyness and making friends. The funny thing was that the host of the panel never showed up. We all laughed at the irony. So I used that time to get another signature from J. Michael Totem, which plays Kamui from The Gray Man, Sebastian from Black Butler, and plenty of others. It was almost as equally as expensive as the last one. After that I had dinner. I have made it a tradition at this con to get some ice cream once a day, so after dinner I got some ice cream. I tried a panel after that, and I ended up arriving late. It seemed like the type of panel that you needed to get there on time for, so I went to Nomonichi instead, which is a manga and anime type of garage sale thing. I got a manga while I was there. I then went to a Pattern 101 panel. It ended up going too fast and being too complicated, so I went to a panel with J. Michael Totem and his husband. After that, I went to my first drag queen show. It was quite the party. After that, I went back to the hotel around 1 a.m. I got to bed and I was very happy to be in bed. So that was Friday at Anime North. I hope you all enjoyed and look forward to the rest of the weekend's adventures. If you went to a con or Anime North, please put your adventures down in the comments below. Please like, comment, and subscribe.